Hello, welcome back to Good Mondays Coins and Banknotes, and today we have some new coins. So in these videos I'll just show you what I purchased and whether I could make a small profit on any of the coins. Now not all the coins I would get I would resell. Some of them I would keep in a collection, but this seller sends these beautiful stamps. So 43 cents. So these are before 1992, and it has beetles. It's got the cotton harlequin bug and the hawk moth, and they're quite nice stamps. Anyway, I'm not too sure what is contained in this package because I brought a few things and I probably have early signs of dementia. Okay, we've got some more Samoan coins. So this is the second lot that I purchased, and I believe I wanted just one of them, and we have Dutch East Indies. So this seller is pretty good with these packaging. So these are manila envelopes that you use to store folders. So we have, looks like we have the 2 centi, 20, 50 centi, and also the $1 coins. So okay, so we have a current 20 centi coin, and with this I could actually make a whole collection of 10, 20, 50 centi and 1 and 2 tala from the current series. So this is a current circulating coin, has the head of state, and it just has, not too sure what that plant is. Okay, so that is red ginger, and the mintage of this coin is 13.4 million, and all the other coins have new designs as well. I did make a video before, so that's basically not really worth that much. Okay, so the coin that I did want for my collection is this one. So this is a 2 centi, first minted in 1974, and it was minted to 1996 in this design, and then they changed it back to the old design in 1999. So the date of this one is, well, the first year of issue, 1974. And quite a nice coin, and this is one in my collection, 1.6 million. Now there is no other mintage figures for any other date, which is pretty normal. Since 1984, Samoa hasn't issued mintage figures for their coins. Okay, we have the 20. So we had the first issue. So the 1967 coins, they just have these coat of arms, so they're all the same. And on the other side, we just have the head of state, which this side didn't change much except for the name of the country. So Samoa, so this is Western Samoa. This one just says Samoa, and as you can see, it's well circulated. So the mintage of this one is only 400,000. So it's a bit hard to get in uncirculated grade unless you buy an uncirculated coin set, which is a really hard to get. Now the other 20 centi with the other design, and this was designed by George Berry, and this is breadfruit. It looks like a large orange, but it's probably not related. It's just a nice tropical plant. I actually like to eat that one day. So those ones are not really worth that much money, even though the mintage is quite low. Then we have the large 50 centi. So these replaced the New Zealand dollar. So the first one's, the 50 centi, is the same edge as the New Zealand coin, and then later on it's just full milling. So, and these are pretty low in the mintage, not rare, with 80,000. So that's all. So the value at the time is probably about $7.50 you can buy now. But 80,000, population I think it's about, at the time probably about 100,000. So New Zealand coins probably did circulate. And then we have the next issue, first issue 1974, and we have 96 and 2002. So the only difference is a change in the country's name. Now there's no mintage figures for these ones, and well, it has bananas. Oh, look at all those bananas. I've never seen so many bananas on the plant, which is probably well fed with a lot of fertilizer. Okay, so 1974 ones, as an indication, had 50,000. Then there's 88, 93, 96, 2000. And these are probably minted in Australia, or some of them could have been minted in the UK. So that is those coins, and then we have the 10 cent, same size as an Australian 10-cent coin, which I'm not surprised because they did replace the New Zealand pre-decimal coins, which are the same as Australian. So, and the mintage of this one is 400,000. So as you can see, Samoan coins are low mintage, and if they mint high mint, you know, a lot of coins, so like this 1984 at a mintage of 1 million, then they don't mint any other coins to a few years later. So like, then they minted some coins in 1987, but then they didn't mint any $1 coins until 2002. And once again, it just, the only difference here is the change in the country's name. So those ones, I do like this coin. It's actually quite nice. Samoan coins are pretty good. And then we have the Dutch East Indies. Okay, so this is the decimalised version, except for the duet that's down below. We'll talk about that in a minute. So there is a half a cent, but the smallest coin I have is a 1 cent, which was first issued in 1855. And this seems to be the second version from 1914. And the mintage of that one is 85 million. So really, it shouldn't be hard to get a coin in high grade for this denomination. But then again, Indonesia has a high population. Currently, it's about 300,000 or 300 million, should I say. And on the back, we have the native script in Javanese, and we have one in Arabic. So the value in Japanese and Malayan. So that's the, I think it's called like Jawi script. And we just have the coat of arms of Indonesia. And that one's probably worth about $5. Then we have the 1942. So this one has the P mint mark. So that is Philadelphia. So these ones are first minted in 1936. Last minted in 1945. And the 1942, this one had 100 million, so really you should be able to get one in uncirculated grade like this, and probably just worth a few dollars. It's quite nice. Looks like it's got tulips on the back. Beautiful. So that's a nice coin with a hole. We have the 2.5 cent. So this is the largest bronze coin that they issued, and it was first minted in 1856. It is 12.5 grams and 31 millimeters. This design was first minted in 1914 because it has a more extensive. Is that 1914? Oh, no, 1907. So this one was minted up until 1914. I think the last year was 1913. Doesn't have as much script in the center. So this one is 1907. I believe most of these are high mint coins. So 1907 has a mintage of only 3 million. So I'm wrong. So really it shouldn't be an easy coin to get. And I see that not too many people have actually got this coin, which is surprising. So you can see how worn it is. So these coins do circulate at the time for quite a long period of time. Okay, so that's a 2.5. Then the next coin we have is the 5 cent. So this one was not minted in until 1913. They did have a 1/20th of a gulden for 1854-55, and this one was only minted from 1913 to 22 in copper nickel. So 1921. and I believe they were still in circulation when the Japanese invaded the place. So 1921, 40 million. It's only 3 dates. 1913 with 60 million, 21, 40 million, and 22, 20 million. So in this condition, it's very fine. So really, and on this side we just have a script with, is that Naga? 2 Naga animals on the side. Don't know. And just flanked by design. So maybe it's nothing to do with they do look like a Southeast Asian script. And the last coin we have is the small silver one in the 1942. And this one was minted from 1937 to 45. 72% silver. And it is 1.25 grams, 15 millimeters. And the silver value to this coin's $1.40. So if we've got a silver coin, a dollar coin, be like this, it'd be very small, smaller than the current dollar coin we have now. So the same as a Philippines coin. And this one is 1942 S, so San Francisco. Mintage 75 million. Really, these you can probably pick these up for like $5 to $10. Coat of arms. There's script on the other side. So nothing really indicating that it is a post-colonial coin. Anyway, so that's basically it for those. And then we have a Netherlands Indies. So this is a Do-It coin. And on this side we have 1 cent. So it's a Do-It coin, but it's also classed as 1 cent. This is the earlier version of the decimalization. And it is 1/96 of a gulden, so not really fully decimal. And they do have mintage figures for these. So this is the D mint mark 1833. It is 21.778 million. So pretty high mintage. Most of the Afro coins don't have mintages, and as you can see, it's quite a nice coin. If you're looking to purchase one of these are the conditions you're going to find it in. So they cost roughly about $10 to $20. So that's the only reason why I purchased this lot. So basically, out of all these are the 2 coins I wanted, and the rest is just casualties. So these ones don't need them, so they're going to be flogged off again. Anyway, hope this helps you with your coin collecting. Just remember, this is just a fun hobby. Have awesome coin and banknote collecting time, and take care.